In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Freshsales. Connecting Gmail to Freshsales is a helpful setup because it lets you manage email conversations inside your CRM and keep communication tied to the right contacts and deals. Before you begin, make sure you can sign in to the Google account you want to connect and that you are currently logged in to Freshsales in your browser. Start in Freshsales by going to the top right corner of the screen. Find your profile picture or profile icon and select it. In the menu that opens, click Personal Settings. This is where Freshsales stores your individual preferences, including email connections. Once you are in Personal Settings, look for the section related to email. Click the tab labeled Connect Your Email. In some accounts, this may be called Email Settings, but it leads you to the same place. This is the area where you choose an email provider and link your inbox to Freshsales. Next, you will see options for different email services. Choose Gmail by clicking the Gmail button. Freshsales will then start the Google sign-in and authorization process. At this point, you will be asked to authenticate with Google. Select the Google account you want to connect. If you have more than one account available, take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct one for work. Follow the prompts on screen to grant Freshsales the requested permissions. These permissions allow Freshsales to access and sync your email activities so messages can be logged correctly within the CRM. Read the permission screen carefully, then continue to complete the connection. After authentication, you will be prompted to select a group from your Google contacts to sync. Choose the contact group that makes the most sense for your workflow, such as a group that contains customers, leads, or active prospects. Keeping this selection focused can help your CRM stay organized and reduce unnecessary contact clutter. Finally, set your sync preferences. Choose two-way sync so Freshsales can sync both sent and received emails. This gives you a more complete email history inside Freshsales and helps ensure your records stay accurate across platforms. Once you confirm this setting, the connection is complete. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.